I'm Little Miss Teacher, and today we're going to be talking about double-digit multiplication. We're going to be talking about the process and the doing. So let's get started. Today we're going to be doing 34 times 87. Let's get started. So first, let's think about this. We're going to be doing 7 times 34, and then we're going to do. Let me erase that really fast. And then we're going to do 80 times 34, which sounds like a lot, but we're going to get it done. Let's get started. Let's first erase this so we can do all the good stuff on the drawing tools and everything. Okay. And we should get started. So we'll start with 34 times 7. Let's do 7 times 4. I know that this is 28. So, because if you do 7 times 3, that's 21, plus another 7 is 28. So I'm going to write the 8 down here, and just like in the carry the 1 strategy, I'm going to put the 2 up here. Now I'm going to do 7 times 3. We're going to ignore that 2 for now. Let's do 7 times 3. We just talked about 7 times 3, which is 21. So we know that this is 21. Now we're going to add that 2 on, just like that. So let's do 7 times 3 plus 2. So we know that 21 plus 2 is 23. So let's do 23. There we go. Now we're going to move on to 80 times 34. So let's do this. Let's start with 80 times 4. We're going to think of it as 8 times 4 for now, but always remember that it's 80. But before we start, and before I forget, we're going to write a little 0 there because it is an 80, and so the 0 is for the tens place. And we're going to do, the ones place, sorry. And so we're going to do 8 times 4, which I know is 32, because if you take 8 times 2 is 16, and then 16 plus 16 is 32. So we're going to write the 2 here, and just like before, we're going to put a little 3 up here, but instead of a 2, we're doing a 3. And we're going to do 8 times 3. So let's say that 8 times 3, we know that this is 24. I know that this is 24 because if you take 8 times 2 is 16 plus another 8 is 24. So now we're going to write 24 right here. All right. Oh my goodness. Again, I was checking my work before we moved on to the next step, and you guys should always check your work. I just made a silly mistake, but we're going to fix that silly mistake, and we're going to do 8 times 3 is 24, plus 3 is 7. So 27. So we have 27. Now we're going to do 238 plus 2,720. We're going to add those together to get our product. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 7 is 9. And just 2 is 2. So that is our product right there. 2,958. I hope this helps you understand traditional method a little better. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.